Hello people, welcome to today's episode of Crypto Streets. For days now, Nigeria as a nation has been experiencing power failure as a result of the collapse of the national grid. And we are on the street today to find out how this development has affected the lives of Nigeria. I remain your boy Ariwa. Do stay with us. When was the last time you had lights, NEPA lights?
I guess that was last month.
For like a week now, there's no light.
4 days now.
Let me tell you the truth. It has been long ago. Like 1 week ago, Shomolu, I'm telling you, it's really bad. The heat is too much, safe.
What are the things that you did with light that you can no longer do it now?
Like iron my clothes, charge my phone. I love light anyways. I love seeing light around me. But they are depriving me of my rights. They are actually depriving me of my rights.
So how is the entire development affecting your business?
Well, it's really affecting because I'm not doing business, I'm in office, but my office is using generator 24 hours, but it's not done. It's a lot of money we are buying diesel now, and diesel is cost. We bought diesel 700 per liter. And minimum we bought like 200 liter. Look at that kind of amount. It's too much. We itself, we are not making such profit in our office. As in my office, we are not making a lot of profit like that. We serve Lagos State government. So please, government, try and give us light. Let this country be like UK, United States of America, you know. Okay, live a good life, Sha.
It has affected me a lot. The heat is too much and the weather. In the night we can't even sleep because of the heat. It's too much.
So how has it affected your life as a Nigerian?
I mean, we are used to it already. We normally don't have lights in my area, so I'm used to it. I mean, I have gen, so I'm actually used to it.
Ms. Joy, if you are given 10 million naira to stay in Nigeria or a visa to any country of your choice, which one would you prefer?
My goodness, I'm fucking living this country.
Without money, you are just going.
I want the money, I want to live.
So which country do you have in mind?
Oh my goodness. I have 2 countries in mind actually because I'm this kind of person that love fashion. So first of all, I would like to visit Paris. Yeah. Then settle down for US.
What about Ukraine? You have Ukraine.
Oh no! I'm not going to face that war.
Man, guys, you know they why me now. I must surely travel abroad now. 5 million naira. I've made up more than 5 million naira. Last year, I've made more than 5 million naira and I've spent it. So, how much is 5 million naira?
So you prefer to go abroad?
I prefer to go abroad. 5 million is talking change.
Visa to any country of my choice.
You're not living with money, you are living with just visa.
Yes.
Okay, so you prefer to go out there empty-handed than stay in Nigeria with 10 million naira?
Yes.
You're saying yes with your future.
Yes, I'm saying yes.
Ms. Joy, you want to jump out by all means?
Yes, so I want to leave this Nigeria. We are tired of this Nigeria now. No lights, nothing, everything. Even in the transportation service too much. Everything is just, we are tired of this Nigeria. I prefer to live any country as I wish to go to.
I'll take a visa.
You're not going with money, you're just going with
Visa, I'll take a visa.
visa and hope, no money.
Nah, I'll work my money away. I'll take the visa.
Visa to any country of my choice.
Visa.
You're not going with money, you're just going with visa.
Yeah, visa. I think it's okay.
Visa and hope is okay for you.
Yeah, by God's grace.
But 10 million naira can actually get you a visa.
10 million naira is trash here in Nigeria. You spend it within probably a month or 2 because even the cost of living in Nigeria is high. So you probably finish the 10 million within 2 months or less than. So, but when you go outside the country, you make money now. You make more money.
I think that 10 million naira can actually get you a visa to a country, another country, right? Can it?
Yes, it can, but I just need the visa first.
I will have that 10 million. I won't travel out of this country. Yes.
No leave, no transfer.
No, I won't get out of this country. I will make use of the 10 million naira in Nigeria and I will succeed.
So you don't have any intention of leaving the country?
No, I don't at this age of mine. But the younger ones can travel out. But as I am now, I'm not traveling now.
10 million naira to stay in Nigeria or a visa, like visa to any country. Give me the 10 million naira. I'll stay in Nigeria now.
don't want to go to another country and experience a new life.
I mean, I have things to do with that money that will yield more profits. Give me the 10 million naira.
Okay, so you stay in Nigeria.
Yes.
Others are saying that they will leave even without the money. But I think you are the first person that is saying that you will stay.
Give me the 10. Are you giving me? Give me the 10 million naira.
Hi guys, as a Nigerian, how has the power failure affected your personal life, your education, or your business? Let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Remember, this is Crypto TV Plus. See you next time.